Hello students, and welcome to your vocabulary daily dose. This is the beginning of unit 4. So you're on unit 4. This is lesson 1, and in your vocabulary book you are on exercise 7A. So the materials, of course, you need your book, you need your computer so that you can go into the online school and look at unit 4, lesson 1. You are dealing with words that have the root with the definition of before or after. So before and after, and I believe the first couple lessons deal with before, and then you'll be dealing with after. So you'll click on numbers 7A under the lesson tab on your online school. Again, unit 4, this is lesson 1, also known as 7A. I'm going to hold up my laptop to show you what this lesson will look like. And this is the first page that you'll see when you're in there. So you can see that it says lesson 1, before and after. And let me click to that next page where it says begin. It says listen to the pronunciation of the word, read their definitions, and see how the words are used in context. And on page 3, it shows you a list of the words. And you can see the words that are in blue. You can click on each of those words to listen to the correct pronunciation. So we're going to go ahead and do that together right now. So listen to the pronunciation. Hopefully this will be loud enough.
Antebellum.
Turn it up just a little bit.
Antebellum. Antecedent.
And I'm going to hold up my laptop so that we can hear that a little better. So antebellum, antecedent,
Anterior. Avant-garde. Precept. Predestination.
predestination,
Preempt.
preempt,
Premonition.
premonition,
Preposterous.
preposterous,
Pretentious.
pretentious,
Vanguard.
and vanguard. So you can see I'm clicking on it and then I am repeating so that I can also look at it, listen to it, and then I say the pronunciation as well. So that was page 2 of 3 on your online school. The next page says you are ready to take the assessment. Okay, you're actually not quite ready to take the assessment because before you do that, you are going to go in and you'll review all of the words that are on pages 38 through 40. So you need to do that first and look at the definitions. And then you'll be dealing with, again, antonyms and synonyms. Again, remember that a synonym is a word or phrase that most is nearly the same as the word in bold. That was synonym. And then on antonym, it is the word or phrase most nearly the opposite, the word in bold. So before you do that, you know that I am always asking you to make sure that you're using these words. If you use them, you'll learn them. So I have a couple of sentences to use on you. The first one, I'm going to say, it is preposterous to think that you can learn all of these vocabulary terms in one lesson. So preposterous is one of your words. And that means it's kind of silly. It's absurd to think that you could really learn all of these 11 vocabulary words in just one lesson. That's why you have more than one lesson so that you can review it, then do the lesson, then review and do the lesson. The next sentence, the completed vocabulary lessons are antecedent to passing the final assessment. So really so if I say antecedent, that's what comes before. Doing all of these vocabulary lessons, you do that before, and then you're ready to do that final assessment. So you are ready to do this first lesson. Go in and study the terms, and then go in and take your final assessment. And I appreciate you checking in with this daily dose, and hopefully this has helped you. Have a great one. See you next time.